Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Fusion. My name is Harsh Kumar. It is the part 6 of the video series Dentist Website Design in Figma, and this is the last video of this project. In the previous video, we designed the team section. If you haven't watched that video, I strongly recommend to do so. I have created the playlist for this project where I put all my tutorials for this dental project. I am putting the link of the playlist in the I button and in the description of the video. Well, in this video we will create a contact form section, and we also learn how to create this fade effect in the Figma. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First, create a rectangle for the form. Change its color to white and enable the stroke. Let me add a heading for this form. The font size is 20 pixel and font weight is bold. Let me place the heading in the center of the box. Now let me add the text box for the form. So for this we need to add rectangles. Duplicate this rectangle twice and now change the fill color of the rectangles to light cyan. Now let me add the placeholder text in the text boxes to label the text box. The font size is the same, 20 pixel, but the font weight is extra light. In the first text box, write enter your name. Now just copy the text to the second text box and edit the name to email. And do the same to other text box also. Change it to message. Now expand the message box and increase the outer rectangle little bit because we need to place a submit button. So just create a button quickly. Change the button color to cyan and text color to white. Now center align the text. Our contact form is complete. Now we will create the footer. So for this, let me create a rectangle bar. Change its color to black. Now reduce the size of the frame to the bottom of the footer. Now select the top navigation and copy it to the footer. Let me increase the size of the footer. Center align the text vertically. Move the text to the left side and align it with content margin. And now we add a background image and this fade effect. I already downloaded the photo, so let me copy it from my computer. Right click on the image and select flip horizontal because we need this subject on the right side. And now reduce the size of the image. Now add a rectangle approximately half of the width of the website. Now mask the image to this rectangle. I think we have done a lot of masking on this website, so I don't think I have to repeat once again. Position the image as per your subject. From now on we will add the fade effect, so pay attention because we haven't done it anywhere in this project. Now select the form and group it by pressing Ctrl G and invisible the group for now by clicking the eye icon. Now add a rectangle on the edge of the photo like this. Now click on the fill and then click on the color. In the extended menu, select the gradient. Select the linear gradient from the drop down. Now select the first color and then change the format to HSB by selecting the drop down icon. Do not change the value to white. And now select the second color, change it also to white. Grab the line bar from the top edge and make it horizontal. With the help of these guides, set it to 180-degree straight line. Don't drag the color selector. Grab it from the line edge and move the line And now select the second color and reduce the value of the opacity to 0%. Now move the rectangle to right. Adjust the line as per your gradient effect as per your need. Now enable the form by clicking on the eye icon. As now we have completed the dental website. Thank you for watching this video. This playlist is complete right now. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion and hit the bell icon for the regular update in the future. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.